To the one I love. I just need to let it out. We don't have that romantic and cheesy story of ligawan thing. We started off as plain and simple as being just friends. My boyfriend ako noon. We're friends actually, me, him, and you. My boyfriend and I already have issues. Deep issues, actually. You're aware of our story. You saw me cried hundreds of times. By the time everyone is asking me to let go of him, you are just there. There are times that you got very mad at him, and there are times that you just don't care for the reasons but just want to comfort me. Grabe effort mo. Kahit malayo work mo nun, alabang to Quezon Avenue tayo. I become attached to you and you are to me as well. And then we broke up. Pinush na natin since alam naman natin nararamdaman natin and di naman tayo plastic. Nasabi ko sa sarili ko noon, shit, this is it. Di na ako iiyak. Diyos ko Lord, kilala na kita eh. Then, we left the friend tayo line to BFGF line. Alam mo na, I was very observant, so alam ko pag may mali. Then, nagbago lahat. I knew back then na may problem ka with your temper. Actually, ma-pride ka. Everything escalated quickly. You become very possessive. Lahat ng lalaki na lang besh, office mates, relatives, our friends. Minsan biniro pa kita na bigyan mo ko ng list ng mga taong pwede ko lang kausapin. I have work noon na pumunta ka and I told you that I can't accommodate you every now and then dahil sobrang busy noon kasi daming paperworks. Gusto mo kasi kakausapin kita and doon lang ako magstay sa lobby that time. Nag-sorry pa ako and pasensya. You left and sabi mo, nanlalamig ka na ba? Malamang may pinag-iinitan ka ng iba. Sobrang lungkot. Days, weeks, and months passed. Natuloy-tuloy tayo na ganun. Sinabi mo na nga ata lahat ng masasamang salita na di ko ma-imagine na sasabihin ng tao na mahal niya or sa kahit kaninong babae. When I liked one FB post of my ex, you cursed at me. You said, bumalik ka na sa ex mo. Gusto mo magpakamot ulit sa kanya, di ba? Sobrang sakit. Every time na uuwi ako from work, I need to send a photo to you para patunayan na nakauwi na ako. Tuloy-tuloy ganun tayo. I had a gay friend and alam mong gay siya, obvious naman. That night na kumain tayo kasama siya. I asked my friend na sabay na lang kayo since pareho kayo ng way. Nung makauwi na ako, you texted me na disappointed ka. I asked, what's the problem? At sabi mo, gusto mo talaga ng attention ng ibang lalaki, no? Di ko alam kung ano ang iisipin ko nun. Sobrang lost ako. Umiyak ako at sobrang frustrated ako. After nun, pinakita ko sa iyo na galit ako na sobrang galit ako. Di ka nag-sorry at ang sabi mo pa, ano? Wala kang balak makipagkita? Kinabukasan, nakipagkita ako at galit ako nun, and ikaw, gusto mo na alisin ko ang galit ko and brush everything off. And ganun na lang na walang nangyari. I ask you, saan mo gusto mag-usap tayo and you answer, tara, motel. Tang ina, ano to? Sobrang disappointed ako sa iyo noon. Hindi na kita kilala. Naging masaya ako, oo, sa mga times na kasama kita. I'm not sure kung ano ang nagbago. Naisip ko na di kita kahit kailan masasatisfy sa love na binibigay ko. Maybe because you keep on looking for someone or something na wala sa akin. Maybe because I'm not good enough. Maybe we are better off just friends. Di ko alam.